In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft To-Do List. This simple yet powerful tool can significantly enhance your productivity by helping you manage your tasks efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and search for Microsoft To Do. You can do this by entering the term into your preferred search engine. Once you find it, you'll notice the familiar interface of the Microsoft To Do website. It's visually clean and straightforward, designed to minimize distractions and help you get started right away. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see the Sign In button. Single-clicking this button will prompt you to either log in with your existing Microsoft account or create a new one. If you're already part of the Microsoft ecosystem, simply enter your login details. However, if you don't yet have a Microsoft account, no worries. Creating one is a fairly straightforward process. To set up a new account, you will be asked to fill in some basic personal information. This typically includes your email address, which will serve as your username, a password of your choice, and your full name. Microsoft may ask for a few additional details to secure and personalize your account. It's part of ensuring you have a personalized and safe experience as you embark on using this task management tool. Once your account is set up, you'll want to activate the editing function. This can be done easily by double-clicking the text inside any editable text box. This feature is useful as it allows customization of your lists and tasks, adapting them to fit your personal or work needs. Now that you're signed in, it's time to explore what Microsoft To Do has to offer. With your account active, you can begin creating your first tasks and organizing them into lists. This organizational tool allows you to categorize tasks under various headings like daily, weekly, or monthly lists, providing a clear overview of what's due and when. This simple categorization can be a game changer in ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. In addition to basic task management, Microsoft To Do also integrates seamlessly with other apps and services, helping you manage everything from simple to-dos to more complex projects. It's like having a digital assistant that keeps you on track and enhances your productivity, whether it's for personal errands or work-related deadlines. And that's it. You've now set up Microsoft To Do and are ready to make the most out of this versatile application. With this tool, you can streamline your tasks and boost your productivity effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.